TV from Samsung. It's a whole new beginning. This Monday, for another week running, Asda had more than twice as many products cheaper than Tesco, Sainsbury's and Morrison's. Whoa, the green one's miles ahead. And what's more, a huge selection of tea time treats, cleaning essentials and thousands more products for a tiny £1 each. With low prices like these, why shop anywhere else? Asda, saving you money every day.
If you think efficiency should be more efficient, if you think quality should be guaranteed for years and years, and value should be more valuable, then we think you should be driving the new generation Hyundai i30 Active. Especially when you think it can be yours for just £179 a month. If you think you know Hyundai, think again. Hyundai.
You asked for ham and lettuce.
I asked for lettuce and ham. Mum puts the lettuce on first and then the ham on second.
Kingsmill 50/50. Tasty white bread that's a source of whole grain and fibre. Kingsmill, fresh thinking.
I'm running for Congress.
I'm gonna smoke that clown.
I can't, Brady, and I seductively approve this message.
The campaign.